automatic.
Powder sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso?
Good morning, everyone. Happy Vlogmas. There was like a bug going on the ship and my roommate and I got it. So today we are arriving in Malaysia. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's the little islands over there. And we are gonna have just the best time. It's been so long since we've been in an actual port, like 2 weeks. But yeah, this is really sad because this is the third to last country that we're gonna be going to before we disembark. Anyways, I'm gonna go grab breakfast and I will see you guys later. Gone Girl, this book has me hooked. Staples of breakfast, almond nut butter, and my Brita water bottle. I get questions all the time asking what people wear on ship. It's so funny saying the shift because when you first get on semester at sea, everybody puts a lot of effort, and then towards the end of the semester, I just end up wearing sweatshirts and shorts and whatnot. That is just the reality of it. It reminds me a little bit of how in private school you would just wake up and wear uniforms, so I never really have problems picking out what I want to wear. Representing Boise State this morning. Go Broncos. This is crazy. Also,
so pretty.
We're taking a flight today. This boy is sweating. Good morning, everyone from Penang, Malaysia. We just arrived here and oh my gosh, it's humid and it feels like a swamp. Gosh, I miss Starbucks. Which, if you ever have seen Crazy Rich Asians, you'll know. You'll know it because it's gonna look familiar. We're gonna be here for the next 5 days. Today is like the only day that we're really spending mainly here. We're gonna be going to some islands. We're gonna go to Capital. It's gonna be a fun Malaysia vlog. Let's just say that. Skin is already wet right now. Stumbled upon this little vintage store and I'm a sucker for postcards. I've managed to write to all my family and friends back at home in every port, and I feel like these are just unique because they're not like made recently. Ippo. Cute.
This is cool. It's like a letter.
That is so cute. I adore all the other postcards, but this one actually says Penang on it, and it's a vintage one, so I'm gonna get this one. How cute are these little cards? I'm gonna get 2 of these, and then I'm obsessed with these little tic-tac-toe. I'm gonna get this one. Should I do the green, jade, and white, or the blue? This one's 15, this one's 10.
Oh, they're different. I see the blue.
The blue? Yeah. Okay.
I know you only in my dreams. You come visit and I make a scene. You know with passion all that we could be. Love is forever. It's always you and me. Save my longing for you. Another blue. Save my loving for you.
I'm sending this to my dad's sister, Auntie Phyllis. If you're watching this, I love you so much. Bye, bye-bye. Look, we ran into Brody and Ivan are here. Where's Brody? Look at him on the couch. Brody's chilling on the couch. He's ready.
Brody's chilling.
He's ready. You guys, this is the cutest little coffee shop. This is our lunch, right?
Yeah.
This place is called Emily Darling Cafe. You guys need to come here if you visit Penang. We popped in here for a little bit of lunch and pastries before we go to the Blue House. Just put it down.
I went here, you can go there, and then you block me, and then it's that or that, and you win.
Just put it down.
I go here, you go there. Okay, I even thought. I would not say I was surprised.
The water is like hot.
So you just put hot water all over it. What are you supposed to do? Hi. I'm gonna get you one of these games now.
Okay, ready?
It's so funny. Order food. Thank you.
This looks amazing. I got this. This is a spinach mushroom cheese quiche. Amanda got the blueberry. And then Robin, what is this?
Coconut, yeah. It's like cheese. Bacon.
It's like a cheese bacon. Looks so good.
Ooh, it's hot.
It is hot. Also, I'm not sure if this is like a standard thing, but I asked for water, and the water is very, very warm. They added like a dried lemon slice. If you're from Malaysia, comment down below. Is this a normal thing?
Spaces, just being mentioned, which is now there's molding capital as well. It's really wide, the pillars. And the photograph of a car, a photograph of her.
Right outside the Blue Mansion, there's this adorable, adorable little like restaurant garden sort of deal. And how cute is this little table? I'm dripping sweat right now. This is disgusting. I got a passion fruit kombucha. I never really drank kombucha, but today we're gonna try it. Like old.
No, kombucha hurts my stomach because it's like
Get it on video.
Wait, try this. It's actually really good.
do you want to try?
Like it doesn't like burn your throat. Am I good? Okay, I swear every single time that I've had kombucha. Oh, I got him.
Yeah, it's like a very like
It's like a light kombucha.
light like
Here's our little sticker. That Blue Mansion was incredible. It's kind of crazy seeing how all the different influences from different parts of the world end up in like a completely random spot. Like there was French influence, what do they say, like Spanish influence, even Chinese. I'm really glad that we did this. It definitely set the tone for the trip.
I think Malaysia will be like one of my favorite parts.
That's what I was
I had
thinking.
this like funny feeling.
Amanda, tell us about your straw.
it is an edible straw.
Is it like
Made out of,
pasta?
like I've already eaten half of it, but
She
I can
took a-
demonstrate.
She took a sip and crunched and I was like, oh? Oh.
Delish.
Welcome to Malaysia, everyone. Welcome. Hi. Just came back from dinner. Dinner was so good today, and I always have this theory that whenever we're in port, the chef just makes top tier dinners because it's less food. Parents can come on the ship, so I think that they're trying to impress them, but I don't know, just a theory. Anyways, it is currently, it's kind of late. It's getting pretty late. 6:27 p.m. and we are about to go to the airport. They don't use Uber here in Malaysia, so I think we're gonna have to download the app Grab and get a car to take us to the airport. We're going to the capital of Malaysia. I did not want to pay extra to check in a bag, so I'm bringing a carry-on and I fit everything in my big old Walker Family Goods backpack. My passport is in the passport holder, as well as my credit card behind my SAS ID. And then I'm gonna take this little tote bag that I got from the very first port Malaga, and then I went to the island Mallorca. Amanda, Robin, and I had so much fun, and it's been a while since the three of us have traveled together. We've gone to so many different ports, and in each one I've wanted to diversify and kind of like mix and match who I spend my time with, and I'm really gonna miss them, especially because Amanda lives in California and then Robin lives in Estonia, so the chances of me seeing them a lot when I go back home, back to college in Idaho, is very, very slim. I'm gonna meet my friends at reception, and then let's go on a flight. We just got to the airport. I'm exhausted. I feel like I'm about to pass out.
We're gonna be waiting here for a while.
What time is our flight?
I don't know, we got an hour, at least.
You want to give us a drink? Oh, we're doing that.
Well, what else would Brody be doing at the
Root beer.
airport?
I wanted a beer.
Oh.
Root beer? What's the point of drinking beer if it's not the real beer?
It has roots in it. Good for you.
It has roots in it. It's good for you.
Okay, I'm gonna get a water because I feel dehydrated right now.
Don't get a root beer. Please,
Oh, okay.
follow in our elders' footsteps. It stinks. It smells like cough medicine.
And it looks like cough medicine, but let me tell you, it is a solid C+.
This is pure medicine. This is
For root beer,
disgusting.
it's just
Stocking up on water because I drink so much water when I'm home, but I literally do not drink any water when I travel, and we're gonna change that this trip. Feeding the hungry
She
child.
always has like little snacks, and I very much so appreciate it.
Brody forgot that I have a nut allergy, and he really offered me cashews and macadamia nuts.
Like pineapple and avocado and all this stuff. You know, in the moment, yes, I did offer her a whole bag of nuts, but I was really thinking.
Basically, he just doesn't want to admit it, but he's a fake friend, and I'm not here for it.
Wow. That's
Fake friend. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys the rundown of who all is joining us on this trip, because somebody commented on one of my recent Vlogmas videos asking me to like say everybody's names and kind of talk about them, so we're gonna do that. Also, why are we all antisocial right now? Like everybody's spread
It's
out.
good. We've been together for too long. We need some distance.
6 feet apart, please. 6 feet apart.
No, we don't work.
Okay, so we've got Nicole, Jack, myself, Brody, Ivan, Rick, Tay, Kate, Amanda, Chris down there, and then Aman is getting food right now. We made it to Kuala.
like the little like small thing that eats the eucalyptus leaf, you know, like the koalas.
They serve peanuts on the plane, so automatic. I hate you.
You make me stress.
That just hit my eye. Anyways, GM Streak, see you tomorrow.
Crackling wood all season, decorating a loneless Christmas once again, making amends and tying